What's up everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing these AirPods Max. I just picked these up from Target earlier today and they are at the lowest price they've ever been since they've released since late 2020. And I've always kept my eye on these, but they were always just so expensive. Even on sale they're still pretty expensive, but I decided to pull the trigger. So let's unbox this. But before I unbox it, you can see the box, the front. The back shows the headphones with the case. It says AirPods Max on the top. Apple logo. Yeah, let's unbox this. Wow, these are really heavy, much heavier than my previous headphones. I have the Bose QC35-2. They're much lighter compared to these. Obviously these are metal, so it should be much heavier, but just feeling it in person is like, wow, it's a huge difference. Let's take it out of the case. I don't know if I'd really call it a case though. It's a magnetic clasp on the case, so it just shuts like this. Here we got the headphones themselves. Wow. What I don't like is that these can bang against each other. Might get scratched, but that's what happens when you get metal headphones. Man, these feel so premium. Quality is amazing. And these ear cups feel so soft and cushiony. Headband is also very soft. Reminds me of like the mesh chairs at offices. Man, these are so nice. I can't wait to listen to some music with these. I heard that these have one of the best noise canceling out of all headphones. You can adjust the bands like that. It's very easy. This button is to change between transparency mode and noise cancelling. This, you can change the volume, goes volume up and down. Press it to play and pause. 2 times, I think, to activate Siri, 3 times to skip a track, I believe. Yep. Alright, that's it for the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed.